Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video you're going to hear about 7 incredible altcoins. So make sure to watch till the end in order to hopefully increase your chances to make some money. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So first of all, what is TRX? So TRX is actually the basic unit of accounts on the Tron blockchain, and TRX is also the natural medium currency for all TRC based tokens. And TRX actually connects the entire Tron ecosystem with abundant application scenarios that actually powers transactions and applications on the chain. Now, TRX market performance, by the way, are literally crazy because they are listed on over 130 exchanges. TRX is one of the most promising cryptos, connecting millions of value investors across the globe. Now, by the way, if you will go to Google and you will search TRX mining, so you will be able to see that there are a lot of companies that actually suggesting to investors that can start literally with the minimum investments of like $50, and they actually giving crazy returns that their income starting from 168%, which is literally incredible. So if you're interested to read more about that TRX, go to tron.network and you will be able to see. Now about its price, so currently you can see on CoinMarketCap that its price of 0.06375, and if you want to actually see more about their details, so you will be able to see that currently it's over the red line, which is actually great news. So if you want to learn more, you can actually go in here, and also you can click on Trading View and you will be able to see, with using different tools actually, you will be able to do your analysis much better, and that way hopefully to make better decisions and make some money. Now the second project is XC Infinity. So XC Infinity Shares AXS is actually an ERC20 governance token for the XC universe, and actually you will be able to see on the website xcinfinity.com about their incredible project and about a lot of details about how you can actually start staking and play. And by the way, their staking metrics are incredible. You can go to see on different websites like Binance, for example. You know what, I will show it right now, so wait a minute. Now I'm currently on Binance.com, and you will see that actually unlock staking, if you will put XC Infinity for 90 days, you will be able to make APY that is approximately over 120%, which is actually insane and it's incredible. So if you're interested to learn more about this project, actually go to the website and you will be able to learn. Now, the price of XC Infinity, according to now, is $38.05, and as I said, you will be able to go to CoinMarketCap and you will be able to see much more details. For example, their market cap is over $2 million. And by the way, I forgot to tell you about Tron, that currently their market cap is over $6 million. And the trading volume in Tron was, in the past 24 hours, was over $700 million. And in XC Infinity was a little bit over $280 million in trading volume, which is incredible. Now, the third project that we're going to look is actually Solana, that currently the price is $98.24, and their market cap is over $32 billion, and their trading volume in the past 24 hours was more than $1 billion, which is incredible. And as you can see that currently, if you know a little bit about trading, and if you're not, you're more than welcome to see in our channel more videos about trading and about different projects, you will be able to see that you can find here a lot of good opportunities. By the way, in CoinMarketCap, you will be able to actually expand more in details, and that way to see different indicators right in here. Now, their website is incredible, and also besides that, Solana is a decentralized blockchain that is built to enable scalable and user-friendly apps for the world. And by the way, you can see that their total transaction is absolutely incredible, and the average cost per transaction is very, very low, and that's what actually makes it a very, very wanted and very famous blockchain, because it's very, very, very cheap to get started right in here. And by the way, their low cost is going to be forever, and it's going to be fast forever, and they're actually developing themselves more and more. And by the way, if you want to contribute to their project, you can become a validator, by the way. Now, the fourth project is Cardano, and their idea is actually to make the world work better for all. So actually, Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries with the tools and technological that are required to create possibility for the many as well as the few and bring about positive global change. And if you want to learn more about them, you can actually get by going to the website cardano.org. Now, Cardano is a very well-known project and has a lot of ups and downs, but the main idea is that Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform, which is actually the first to be founded on peer-reviewed research and developed through evidence-based methods. And it combines pioneering technologies to provide unparalleled security and sustainability to decentralized application systems and societies. And if you want to actually purchase, it's very easy to get started with investing in Cardano, because Cardano costs only 0.8438 token. And by the way, you can find it also as ADA. And currently in the past 24 hours, the trading volume was over $800 million, and the market cap of Cardano is over $28 billion. And as you can see in here, you will be able to see also the changes in this project in the past year, which is actually the price got lower and lower due to a lot of different aspects, by the way, also in the news and also in social media. But if you're looking on this project for the long term, so you can see that sometimes decrease in the price is not a bad thing, because sometimes you can use it to their own benefit with hopefully shorting some option or something like that. Now, the fifth project that we're going to look is XRP, which is actually on the Ripple network. And XRP is actually a fast and green digital asset that was built to be the most practical cryptocurrency for applications across the financial services space. And actually, XRP powers innovative technology transforming the global financial services space, and companies, institutions, developers, and individuals around the world use XRP and the blockchain on which it runs, the XRP ledger, because of its extraordinary utility. And this is actually an open source and permissionless and decentralized technology, is actually a carbon neutral and fast setting transaction in 3 to 5 seconds. So there is no more check tomorrow your bank account or something like that in the best case scenario, but it's very fast, low cost, scalable, stable, sustainable, and distributed, which is great to almost every idea of transaction, because first of all, it's very simple to get started. And if you want to learn about Ripple, the project in general, they're a very, very interesting business. And also you can find a lot of different explanations, and you can see they're actually founders on YouTube on a lot of actually lectures. And that way you will be able to actually see about how big and well-known company it is. And currently, to buy one XRP costs $0.6436. And if you want to see more in data, and their current market cap is over $3 billion, and their trading volume in the past 24 hours was over $1 billion, and their max supply is 100 billion. Now, the sixth project that I wanted to show you is actually Chainlink. Actually, Chainlink is a decentralized oracle networks that provide tamper-proof inputs, outputs, and computation to support advanced smart contracts on any blockchain. Yes, on any blockchain. And actually, you can start building your hybrid smart contract with Chainlink very, very easily. And it's highly secure and flexible infrastructure, which is great because it's actually adjustable to use in a lot of places. And Chainlink actually is greatly expands the capabilities of smart contracts by enabling access to real-world data and off-chain computation while maintaining the security and reliability guarantees inherent to blockchain technology, which is great. And by the way, in the future, hopefully it will be powering the future of smart contracts. And if you want to read more about them, you can see multiple articles about them. And also you can see about their ecosystem that is very interesting, which is actually an open source development and a growing ecosystems for users. And it's driven by a large open source community of data providers, node operators, smart contracts developers, researchers, security auditors, and much more. So by the way, if you want to become a data provider, so you can actually sell your existing data and API services to the most widely used Oracle network, quickly expanding your business model into the emerging smart contract economy with minimal cost, which is great because everyone likes to actually pay as least as they can. And by the way, you can see that they were adopted by leading data providers like CoinGecko, Keiko, Binance, and much more. Now, the price of Chainlink, according to CoinMarketCap, is $12.68, and currently their market cap is over $500 billion, currently almost $6 billion, and their trading volume is over $400 million in the past 24 hours, which is incredible. And their max supply of coins is actually 1 billion. Now, the last project that I wanted to show you is Polkadot. Now, about Polkadot. So Polkadot.network is the address of their incredible website. So head over to there if you want to learn about them. But in general, this project is very well known, not just because it's very secure and it's very efficient, but it's also a user-driven governance project. And it has actually a sophisticated governance system where all stakeholders have a voice network upgraded, which is great because when you actually part of their community, you actually have the possibility and the option to influence a little bit. And the DOT token serves 3 distinct purposes: governance over the network, staking, and bonding, which is great because let's take, for example, staking. So the game theory incentives token holders to behave in honest ways, and good actors are rewarded by this mechanism, whilst bad actors will lose their stake in the network. And this ensures the networks to stays secure, because if you're going to get gifts, of course that you will be happy about it and will act good, hopefully. Now, by the way, it's an open source project that is founded by Web3 Foundations, and if you want, you can actually click in here and you will be able to read much more in their website. Now, their price currently for a token, for a coin, is 17.03, and their market cap is over $16 billion. And their trading volume in the past 24 hours was over $600 million. Actually, their total supply currently is over $1 billion. So for summary, if you want to invest in one of this project, I would totally recommend you to actually head over to their website. And by the way, for each one of them has a great community, so you'll be able to actually reach out to their communities and ask a lot of questions and hopefully make the best decisions for you to invest. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.